was speaking on sound. I was discussing the physics of sound. What is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum. But I felt cheap because I couldn't understand. Hey, I'm speaking on the physics of sound, but you have no idea what is music, how music works. So I picked up an instrument to just get a fundamental understanding of music. Let me learn some basic stuff. What is a major chord? Let me learn basic stuff so I could speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And I just got sucked into it. So what started off as a hobby became an infatuation. So I got in, and that's how I got into composing and arranging. And music sucks you in, because it's an emotional outlet.
It's an emotional outlet. It is a vibration. It is a vibration more than, to a great extent, you can talk to me, I can talk to you, there's a vibration, but yeah. Music is just, especially to turn it up.
We hear most pervasively, sociological expanding bubble.
So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, it has velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is